What time is it? It's curry time! Pan for chicken. Water for rice. Chicken for pan. Curry. This one's gonna be a peasy breezy, easy sleazy, chickeny mealy. I'm sorry. Cut your chicken. Wait. First, let's put some oil in a pan. Pan, me oil. Just like the BP disaster. Cut your chicken. It's a curry. You've eaten curry before. You know what size the chicken was in your curry. Cut the chicken to the size that you think is best. That size. Try and keep it sort of same-ish. You know what might help? Turning that on. Yes. Remember, it's called chicken, not chickant. Whoa. You want to cook this for a couple of minutes until it's completely white. I'm pretty certain that if this extractor fan would actually work, I might remember to turn it on more often, you know, like not halfway through cooking. Chicken is looking pretty good. That's all white. So what we're going to do now, you ask? Now I ain't Gordon Ramsay, and if you're here for some Gordon Ramsay level cooking, you ain't going to get it. So we're cooking from a jar. It's just as good, man. There's a reason these companies make millions every year. A lot of people buy them. They're tasty. They're good. Empty the jar into the chicken concoction. Turn the chicken concoction down to the minimum. Look, 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 look. Give that jar a big spank. Mix it in. Mix it in with your chicken. Check it. Low heat. Not high. Low. Low heat. 30 minutes. The rice, boom, over there, takes 10 minutes to cook in this bowl of water. 15 minutes. Let's go for it. Let's do it. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Starting now.
Yeah. It's very important to remember that you're not a comedian. You don't need to put on a stupid Indian accent whenever you cook Indian food, especially not in the current day and age. Alright? Now this is also very important. What you've got to do is take your jar. You've got your nice little curry in, look. Oh, not one of those. Proper glued on. Anyway, forget the label. Wash your jar out until it's nice and clean. And pop it where it belongs. Oh, look at that. It's coming along nicely. It's spitting everywhere. Look at that, man. Spitting everywhere. I'm sure that's a great thing. Water, fire is on now. Wait till that boils. Boil the bowl in a bag rice. And everything is coming together. 8 bags of one portion. More like one portion is 8 bags. What is that? Hello, would you like a thimble of rice? Kasploosh. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Starting now.
Ooh, I've just been told that it's time. So, take that over there. Grab me rice. Don't know how we're going to get these open. I suppose you just sort of cut the edge off and then plop it on a plate, and then we'll put that on that. So here is where I can be a bit of a Mr. Smarty Pants, because that is one bag of boiling the bag rice. And I'm telling you now, that is not a portion of rice. That is a portion for mice. That's more like it. Sploop. 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 Oh God. This is... oh dear. So when we spoke about trial and error, it's kind of bits like this. getting portion sizes correct. That's a lot of curry. Wish me luck. Jesus Christ, I seriously don't know what's wrong with me. Just sit down and hear that.